Hi everyone! Today I want to share with you traditional cookies called مقرقشات. Delicious and easy too. What you need: 3 cups of flour, half teaspoon salt, 1 tablespoon of sugar, and 1 teaspoon baking powder. Mix very well. Mix all together. Add 1 tablespoon of vinegar and 1/3 cup of vegetable oil. Mix it with your hands, between your palms. Make sure the oil goes through the flour. I use 1/3 cup of water, and I add to it 1/3 cup of orange blossom water. Use a little by little. Don't pour it all together because you don't know the flour. A lot of flours don't work the same, so some flour absorb too much, some flours doesn't absorb, so I use a little by little and just knead it like this. And I use the whole half cup but still dry, so I use 1 tablespoon of orange blossom. You can use water as well, so I love to use orange blossom because it has very nice smell. So just keep kneading it like that and add a little by little. This dough has to be a little bit firm, not too soft. Now I'm using another 1 tablespoon of blossom water, and just have patience and just keep adding little by little until you get the consistency of the dough. Now my dough is okay. I like it like that. It's not too much firm or soft. This is the type of the cookies, has to be like this. So I put it on the counter and I just knead it for 3 to 4 minutes. Knead it. Don't cut it, just knead it like the way I'm doing it right now. So it's a little bit hard, but it's not. Now put it in a bowl and just cover it and leave it for 5 to 10 minutes for the dough to relax. Now I'm taking it again out from the bowl and I'm gonna knead it again 1 minute to 2 minutes. The more you knead this dough, the more comes very good. See how it is? Not too soft, not too firm. This is the type of the dough. And just cut it into pieces and make it shaped as a bowl. See, I finished now. Just wrap it with the plastic wrap so it doesn't get dry, and at the same time the dough relaxes. Cover it for 1 hour to 2 hours. Now I'm gonna show you how to do it. Spread the maize now on the counter, or the flour if you don't have maize now, either way. So just try to open it with the roller. Make it very thin until you start seeing the counter underneath. The dough is very workable. See how skinny it is? Thin. So just make sure any corner is thick. Just keep and repeat the process with the roller. Mine here is thick little, so I'm trying to spread it to make it even. Now use a cookie cutter and just cut, or use a knife or whatever you have, and make it in stripes. Spread the flour or the maizena on the tray and just place those stripes on the tray, so it's easy for you to take it to the stove and start cooking. Just spread with flour, as I said before, or maizena. Put the oil in the pan halfway and let it get a little bit hot, not too much hot, because the cookies are very soft. I'm showing you how to do it in the fork. Just dump the fork in the oil and just follow the stripe while it's cooking. See, when it gets fluffy, and you're gonna find out. Just keep rolling. Make sure the oil is not hot, because these type of cookies are very soft, get burned fast. You have to be fast. So just roll it and make sure, if the oil is very hot, just turn it off, let it cool down, and then come back to it. Take the fork off and just throw the oil on top. Even me, sometimes it burns for me. I keep it longer, but just I don't, just keep the process. I'm gonna show you another shape, like a rose. Just put the fork on the tip of the dough and just keep turning while the dough is cooking. See how it is? And just roll it like that. See how? Make sure don't burn yourself, and put the tip on the top and just throw the oil, the hot oil, on top so you get firm. See how? You have to be faster. Otherwise it will be burn. So just put it aside and keep the process. Now bring a pot and put 1 cup of honey and 1/4 cup of blossom water. Just heat it up a little. Don't use it when it's hot on the cookie. It has to be cool, very cool. Almost cold, almost, so the cookies don't get destroyed. So just put the cookie inside and spread the honey. And spread some sesame seed on top. Here we go, beautiful and delicious too. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share with family and friends. Thank you.